just once a week isn't enough. Now, let me ask you, would you expect your child to become fluent in piano by practicing once a week? Probably not. Language works the same way. One class a week isn't simply enough to expose a child for becoming a confident speaker. They need that consistent interaction. They need that consistent and structured exposure. And that's why we combine our live classes, daily activities, videos, speaking practice all through the week to create that consistent environment for them to immerse themselves in Igbo speaking. Igbo abụrụ ihe a na-amụ ofu ugboro n'izu ụka. Join our July cohort now while it is still running. As priority date closes in a week. Ka mmụta Igbo jezuo mba niile.